Alright guys, so I just got a rental pickup truck and I'm on my way to to pick up the new project I have for my 2012 Dodge Challenger. I found a hood of a Challenger Hellcat for sale, and it needs some work done to it because it was involved in a small front end wreck. So we're gonna go ahead and strip down the paint, get every line fixed, and we're also gonna paint it on the satin black option that they had on those cars. So it's gonna look pretty good, and it's gonna match my car perfectly. You know, white on satin black looks absolutely amazing. So I'm on my way to pick that up. I picked up this 2018 Ford F-150 on the way, just to go pick up the hood of the Challenger Hellcat. It's a great truck, actually. I'll be making a review later on this car. I got the hood at the body shop. It's pretty beat up. I mean, the paint fell off in some parts. We also have to buy the small what's that called, the inserts that go on the actual vents. So that's part of the project. I mean, we're gonna try to straighten that out as much as possible and use the least amount of putty we can on that hood. As I said, this will be a new project I will be working on these next couple of days or weeks. I have to order the inserts, as I said. I also have to work on down there. I'm no expert on aluminum, so I'm gonna have to figure out a way to do that. Well, until next time, guys, take care and subscribe. Speed to Garage.